What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here, back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about some Metro by T-Mobile deals starting May 8th, 2019 tomorrow. And this is Kevin Breeze.
Hi everyone, my name is Kevin and I make videos very similar to Stefan's. You can find my channel at youtube.com/KevinBreeze. But if you love smartphones and especially budget smartphones, then you're going to love my content. So I hope to see you over there.
Then go ahead and subscribe to him, guys. We'll leave the link in the description and the first comment down below. But before we start this whole little news we're going to talk about, I definitely want to give a huge shout out to the person that is sending all this information to the creators. I really appreciate you, bud. I know who you are. I'm definitely going to reply to you later on. But this video is not sponsored by Metro by T-Mobile, not sponsored by anybody, so this video is a non-sponsored video. Just know that me and him like Metro by T-Mobile, but it's not sponsored.
But if Metro by T-Mobile wants to work with us in the future on some sort of collaborative project, we'd love to work with you guys.
Hit us up.
So hit us up.
Alright guys, so we have some deals right here starting 5/8/2019. The first one is the LG Stylo 4. You're going to be getting a free LG Stylo 4 when eligible customer switches to Metro. Now the current everyday low price of this device is $160. The everyday low price of 5/8/2019 is going to be $149.99, so you're going to be saving an extra 10 bucks right there. But if you guys do switch over, it's going to be a free device. So really good stuff right there. What are your opinions on that, man? I feel it's a good device for free, right?
Yeah, well, the LG Stylo 4 has been one of the biggest and most popular budget smartphones over the last year now. I know that this device is getting a little bit long in the tooth at this point. It's been out for nearly a year, and the LG Stylo 5 is due to come out soon. But still, despite all of that, the LG Stylo 4 is a great device. I know that we've both been getting in different smartphones recently to review, and the Stylo 4 is still very competitive against those devices. So if you're worried at all about the Stylo 4 being a little too old or not being current enough, don't worry about that. It's still a good device, and you're still going to be able to get at least several good quality years of usage out of this before you might want to upgrade to something else.
But if you guys are excited about the Stylo 5 like me and Kevin are, we're insanely excited. Definitely put in the comments down below. We love this stuff, guys. This is our passion, so definitely tell us what you guys think. We want to know your opinion.
But another thing to consider too is that you're not going to be able to get the Stylo 5 for free when it comes out. You're going to have to pay for that. So if you want to get a free device that is also great, then the Stylo 4 is probably the best option at the moment for you. Also, we are not sponsored by LG to promote the Stylo 4. We just love this device so much. However, if LG wants to work with us in the future, they can work with us. We love to work with LG.
Come on.
And if you're a fan of Metro Smart Ride, then you're going to be really happy to hear about this new deal that's going on. So you can now purchase Metro Smart Ride for $10 off. So instead of $59.99, you can now get it for $49.99. And if you create a new line with Metro by T-Mobile at the $50 per month price point, you can get Metro Smart Ride for free. So Stefan, what is Metro Smart Ride?
So basically, Metro Smart Ride is a little device that you can actually put in your car. I believe 2008 and above. You get, I think, up to $150 of roadside assistance. So if you guys need to be towed to a near gas station, you run out of gas, they can fill up your tank for absolutely free. And just other stuff like that. There's a bunch of other benefits that, you know, Metro Smart Ride offers, and I feel like it's decent, especially for free.
Yeah, and if you have a Tesla though, that gas tank fill option probably won't be very useful to you.
Nope. Alright guys, so we do have some bonus instant rebate offers starting 5/18/2019. This is going to be a switcher bonus for $50 available on the LG Stylo 4, LG Q7 Plus, and the Samsung Galaxy A6. Up to a total of $150 on savings on all of these phones. Requires activation on the $50 unlimited LTE plan with Google One or the $60 unlimited plan with Amazon Prime. 4 for $100 not eligible. Also stackable with current switcher $100 offer, and limit 2 switcher bonus per account.
And if you're creating a new line, there is an extra bonus out there for you.
Cheap.
So, so if you're looking to buy the LG Q7 Plus, LG K30, Samsung Galaxy A6, or Alcatel 7, then there's great news for you because there are discounts up to $100 on these phones when you create a new line at $50 per month.
Also, we do have some continuing offers. The promo period clock will reset on these offers as of May 8th. So Switcher $100 instant rebate available on all phones, requires activation on the $50 unlimited LTE plan with Google One or the $60 unlimited plan with Amazon Prime for $100, not eligible, limit 2 switcher per account. Also, the new line $50 instant rebate deal available on all devices, no rate plan requirement, limit 2 per account. And the last one is the bonus new line $10 instant rebate available on the Samsung Galaxy J2 and LG Aristo 3 phones only, no rate plan requirement, stackable with new $50 instant rebate, limit 2 line bonus instant rebates per account.
So I think overall these are some great deals, and if you're looking to either switch over to Metro or maybe upgrade your current device with Metro, then now's the time to do it.
Now guys, yeah, I think these deals are actually really good, especially the free LG Stylo 4, since a lot of people don't want to actually purchase the LG Stylo 4 with cash out of their pocket. If you guys are trying to switch over from maybe Cricket Wireless or anywhere else, port your number in, get the LG Stylo 4 for free, and I'm pretty sure you'll love it for the price of free. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing. We got Kevin Breeze here if you want to do your little outro, man.
Of course. Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you in some future videos, and have a great day.
Peace out, guys.